Want to save YouTube videos to watch offline without internet? There's a catch. This feature is only available for premium users in certain territories. Watch until the end to see if your country qualifies, and I'll show you exactly how to download videos step by step. First, open the YouTube app and find the specific video or short you want to save. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you share your device with others. Click the three small dots located right below the video player on the right-hand side. This tiny button is your gateway to offline viewing. Keep watching because the next step decides your video quality. From the menu that pops up, select the download option. A download quality window will appear. Higher quality takes more storage space. Choose wisely based on your phone's available memory. If you don't see the download option, your territory or account type may not support it. Double-check YouTube's premium availability in your region. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and comment below if this worked for you.